e-bikes.
Why did I choose the Ecotric Hammer e-bike? Let me tell you. I call it Big O for Big Orange. It had the looks I was looking for, a cruiser style bike with comfortable handlebars so I could sit more upright. It had the leg room I was looking for since I'm 6'2". I like the 4-inch wide tires for the beach and dirt trails. It has the more powerful 1,000 watt motor. Of course, it has the price point, excellent warranty, and a 30-day trial period. No other e-bike brand could match this. As you can see, I have customized my Ecotric hammer. I added a longer handlebar stem since I'm tall. I found quality mirrors that do not vibrate. Various flashing lights were added for safety. A custom bag with Ecotric logos on both sides. An upgraded motorcycle-style kickstand. Custom pedals that match the orange color wheels. Notice the Ecotric logo I made for the battery. Some may say the orange is too much. Some may say the windshield for winter riding is too much. Some may say the customized Ecotric logo jacket is too much. And some may say my winter riding gear is too much. I just don't get where they're coming from. Hope to see you down the trail.
Nothing could be finer than Ecotric riding in the morning. Nothing could be finer than Ecotric riding in the morning.